Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, certified pre-owned, and low miles. Features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, leather seats, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2016 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, FWD, headlights auto off, navigation system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.